But I wanna share kasi my story before. I was bullied all throughout high school and grade school. So, people judged me. As in, people judged me na I had a lot of guy friends outside. Just have to accept everything and move on. Kasi, at the end of the day, ikaw lang at ikaw lang ang meron. Ginamit ko yung experience na yun na habang nabubully ako, lagi ko lang sinasabi sa sarili ko na I'm gonna get through this even if it's so hard. Yung iiyak-iyak na ako. Alam mo, umabot nga rin sa point na hindi ko kasama yung class ko nung retreat. Kasi ganun kalala yun As in, mismong class ko, dun yung may number 1 na naninira sa akin. So, lahat ng tao dun, pag ayaw kasi ng isa, ayaw ng lahat. Ganun kasi yun Tapos, even sa college, I'm not gonna mention her name, pero may point na naging off yung personality ko. And nag-sorry, hindi ako, yung pagkakamali ko dun is hindi ako nag-sorry agad. Kasi hindi ko alam pala na nakasakit ako. Parang ganun. Tapos, she started avoiding me. And meron kasi kaming big group pa rin. Like, she's not really a part of, like, she was for a while, pero hindi siya yung sobrang dikit sa kanila. Unlike me, na sobrang dikit ako dun sa barkada na yun. Ang nangyari, parang one day na lang, after 2 weeks siguro yun, or after 3 weeks, nagtaka na ako, then nag-sorry na lang ako sa kanya. Tapos bigla na lang, sinabi niya sa akin, hindi kasi talaga compatible yung personalities namin sa isa't isa. Iniisip ko, bakit ganun? Like, ang dami namin pinagdaanan, like, frosh pa lang. Tapos, alam mo yun, hinahatid sundo ko siya sa bahay niya pag pupunta ng school. Kasi on the way naman niya, I mean, it wasn't a problem to me because she was my friend. I mean, I still consider her as my friend. We are neutral to each other. But at the same time, I still don't consider her to be a true friend. Like, bakit? Girl, bakit? I mean, hindi ko naman siya masisisi. Like, kung nag-drift apart. Pero, hindi naman yun dapat So, anyway, going back, hindi na yun big deal sa akin. Ang important is, I have myself. I'm confident now. I'm stronger now. If I didn't go through the bullying phase, hindi ako magiging who I am right now, diba? Tsaka, don't be with someone who, who degrades you. Like, example, hindi niya sinasadya, pero the way the person tells you how he or she describes you. Like, example, I was with a friend of mine, tapos, he'd tell me na I have to go to the gym because I look fat. Alam mo, hindi naman niya directly sinabing I look fat, pero more of like sinabi niya sa akin, you wanna look like your, I'm not gonna say who, pero alam mo yun, parang ang offensive ng pagkasabi. Alam kong sinabi niyang in a motivational way. Kaso lang to me, it wasn't a motivational way. As in, more of like na-degrade na ako. At saka ito pa pala, I had body image problems also nung bata ako. Pero after kasi nun, napagdaan ko na yung body image part. Bullying na kasi, so kinalimutan ko. Pero going back dun sa nung bata pa ako, kasi I lived in a village before, so madalas ako makipaglaro sa mga bata din. Nung ka-age ko nung time na yun. So nung time na yun, like, I was a chubby little kid. Pero umawat sa point na, alam mo yung nahihiya na ako na lagi na lang yung suot ko na presentable is like t-shirt and jeans na maluwag. Kasi ayoko magmukhang mataba, kahit mataba ako. Kasi yung mga yayas doon, I remember my yaya told me when I was little, parang sinasabihan na siya na parang yung alaga mo, mukhang tomboy. Syempre, ang sakit nun sa akin, diba? Kasi mahilig nga ako magsuot ng maluluwag kasi ganun yung feeling ko. Feel ko kasi pag magsuot ako ng maluwag, edi okay yung itsura ko. Di bakat yung taba ko, parang ganun. Hindi naman yun na big deal sa akin, pero I just don't wanna be around people who would make me feel the same as who I was before. So, eto na, this is infallible na Pro Matte face powder lang na pressed kasi magiging cakey yung concealer ko pag hindi ako naglagay ng powder. Yeah, honestly, if I'd rate myself kung paano ako ngayon, I'd say I'm complete. I feel fine by myself and not having any judgments from other people. It doesn't matter na talaga Umabot din sa point na I went to a psychiatrist by myself and my parents knew about it. Just to check if there's something wrong with me. Kasi ganun na umabot Umabot na sa point na nawala na ako. Like, gusto ko lang makita kung okay na ako. It's not just because of what I've been through, pero minsan kasi nag-anxiety din ako. Don't get me wrong, I'm not fully confident, fully confident. It's more of like, I just learned how to tolerate my anxiety na because of what I've been through. Hindi mo siya maaalis kasi traumatizing yung na-experience ko Mag-blush na lang ako. This is NARS. Yung NARS Amor lang pala. Oh my God! Parang ang dark. I mean, I forgot yung blush na to. Sobrang kapal pala nga pala to. Sobrang pigmented. Hindi naman kapal. Tapos, I'll go with the bronzer. Actually, yung doctor na yun, sinabihan din ako na, oh my God, oh, nabali. So, syempre, naiyak yung doctor ko kasi, alam mo yun, bata ko pa na naranasan ko na yun. At saka, naranasan ko na yung kumain sa CR. As in, isang beses, isa or twice yung nangyari sa akin na kumain ako sa CR ng school. Sa high school Kasi, walang may gusto sa akin eh. Tapos, isang beses, college na to, na, meron kasi akong mga batchmates pa rin na nagpo-follow sa akin on IG. Meron akong friend, I'd consider her as my friend. High school batchmate ko siya. Pero never naging barkada. Never kami naging barkada. She was just part of the barkada na may ayaw sa akin. Pero siya naman, sunod-sunuran lang naman siya, diba? Doon sa may ayaw sa akin, sa alpha nila. Parang she saw me college na, tapos nakita niya yung mga Instagram posts ko, tapos sinabi niya, laki daw ng balloon ko. She's happy for me. Like, nagulat siya na ang laki daw ng transformation ko. Tapos, isang beses nga niyaya pa niya ako mag-Miss Chinatown eh. Oh, wow. Pero, ayoko. But anyway, side note lang yun. Ayoko. Like, pinag-iisipan ko actually, pero parang iniisip ko parang, I don't need to prove anyone, diba, na ganito na ako, na okay na ako. Kasi, past is past. And yung importante, oh my God, hindi ko mahanap yung curler ko. Why can't I find my freaking curler? No way. So anyway, hindi na ako magmamaskara. Ay, mawawala yung curler ko eh. Pambira. Oh my God, namatay yung camera ko. Pero, on the good side, I found my eye curler. Found it. Nilagay ko na siya sa harap. Okay, magmamaskara na ako. Tapos, going back to psychiatrist thing, never na akong kinulit. I mean, kinulit ako, pero hindi na ako nagpakita kasi alam ko naman na kaya ko na. Kinailangan ko lang ng assurance kung okay na ako or not. Pero no joke, umiyak talaga siya. Oh no, we can fix that. Pero umiyak talaga siya, unfair. Umiyak yung psychiatrist ko. Pero yeah, life goes on, people. Magpaganda na lang and be more confident. To all the girls, hindi kayo magpapaganda sa mga tao. Magpapaganda ka para sa sarili mo. Ako, I love makeup so much. And also, find your passion. Keep you motivated and to be true to yourself. And that's what makes you keep going eh. That's what makes life more interesting and really helps you to be more confident. You may not be 100% confident, pero at least close to it. By the way, hindi ako professional makeup artist, so hindi ako psychiatrist. I'm just sharing my experiences kung paano ko na-handle yung nangyari sa akin. Oh my God, how do people like do this na naka-close yung mata? Naka-close yung mouth? That's so weird. By the way, this is the heroin make. Long and curl, hindi yung volume and curl. Kasi yung volume and curl, hindi siya nagla-lengthen, nag-volume lang siya. Well, obviously, kaya nga volume and curl. Pero sa other eyes, like other eyelashes, they work. Pero yung sa akin hindi kasi I have Chinese lashes. By the way, my makeup is not perfect, but I don't care. I'm just at home. So sana you guys are enjoying this thing that I'm doing. Wait lang, hindi ko pa atin like, oh my gosh, nahulog. Oh. Yung soft and gentle ko. Oh my God, nabagsak. Oh no. Oh shiz. Nahulog yung ibang parts nito. I don't care, it still works well. Matagal na to sa akin eh, like 2 years. Pero I know it's bad na magtatago ka ng makeup na matagal. Pero like, di naman siya naging problem sa akin. Di ako nagpe-pimples dito, kaya I still keep it. I know it's, dapat pag-expire tatapon na. Sa akin hindi ko tinapon. I mean, hindi ko tinatapon pag okay pa. And hindi naman ako nagpe-pimple. I really keep it kasi ang mahal ng MAC girl. Mahal nito. Keep it, bro. Tapos, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use a lipstick. No. This is from Sunny's, by the way. I love Sunny's. Ay, hindi. Eto, favorite ko. From Maybelline. Touch of Nude. 399 na ata to. Actually, bakit ko to nakuha is because Liza Soberano used this. Like, siya kasi yung endorser ng Maybelline, tapos nakita ko nakamodel siya. Ito yung suot niya, tapos nakita rin sa IG post niya na favorite niya tong shade, yung Touch of Nude. And what I like about Maybelline lipstick is it's creamy and it's pigmented. Yung downside lang nito is really you have to apply it. So if you eat something oily, it's really gonna be erased. Not totally erased, but it'll be smudged and hindi na siya ganun ka-opaque. By the way, I'm gonna fix my hair pa pala. My hair. I know my hair is so thin and dapat hindi hinahati yung sa gitna. So I'm gonna magkahati na ako dito sa isang side. Tada! So overall, you just have to be happy, choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice for you to make if you're going through something, and you have to aim higher talaga, as in hindi pwedeng stagnant ka lang, kasi kung hindi, matatalo ka lang talaga sa pinagdadaanan mo. And I know no one is perfect, our life isn't perfect, you just have to be positive, you have to choose it, you have to keep choosing it every time you fall, para you can go back up right away. Well, not right away, but eventually you will go back up, and your haters are gonna hate. Lagi na lang ganun. Ganun talaga eh. Kahit anong gawin mo kasi talagang may maghuhusga eh. So, ganun lang. So, this is my makeup look, my finished look. And now I'm going to pick up an outfit and try it on. So, be right back. So, this is my outfit. My top's from, I think, IG ata or Shopee. And then my jeans are from Stradivarius, yung petite line nila. And then my shoes are from Dior. They're Converse lookalike sneakers. And then my bags from LV. They're LV Dauphine. And then, yeah, this is everything. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please do comment down below if you guys want me to do something else for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button if you haven't. And see you in the next one. Bye!